Hey guys, welcome back to the Struggleville YouTube channel. For this video, we're going to take a look and test out this Top Shack cordless screwdriver. They were nice enough to send me this item for free so I can make a video showing it to you. They were also nice enough to exclusively provide a promo code for viewers of this video while supplies last for a limited time. Make sure to check the video description for the link and promo code information if you are interested in the Top Shack cordless screwdriver. Let's take a look at the features, what comes in the box, and then we're going to test this guy out. Looking at the screwdriver first, we have a simple on-off switch there. See, it has the front LED to illuminate what you're working on. We have an adjustable clutch with 6 torque settings and the drive setting. It is a magnetic hex bit. We have this little button here. You can see I have it as a straight driver here. Push that, locks into this position here, or you can lock it into more of a right angle position. It is forward and reverse with that selector there. We have a micro USB charge port right here with the LED to indicate when it is charging or fully charged. Also have this little switch here, and what's that? A light in the butt. Everyone loves a light in the butt, and that's what we have here. So the screwdriver itself, we also get a bunch of bits and a bit holder. You can see all different styles of bits there for you. We get the micro USB charge cable. We get one of these bendy flexi guys to get us into tight spots. So this hex end will go right into the chuck, and then this end we can bend all over the place to get into tight spots. Also comes with a 12-month warranty and a user manual. So let's test out the Top Shack. Maybe you need to replace the cabinet knobs or pulls in your kitchen. Do a whole kitchen by hand and you'll be begging for one of these. Bam! And we can put it back on. Nice and tight. Yeah, same thing if you need to replace some hinges. Hear that clutch working? Currently have the clutch at the lowest setting. See, it won't make it any tighter. We won't strip it out or nothing. Now if I turn it all the way up, we can still make it tighter. Got this cabinet with the doors that aren't lining up just right, but we can use the Top Shack to adjust the hinges. Thanks to the Top Shack, we're perfectly aligned. Have this battery, won't hold a charge anymore, so we can take it apart, but it's got these security Torx bits. How are we going to get those out? Well, it's one of the bits that we get in the set. Not sure where that spring came from. And we can put them all back together again. It's like Humpty Dumpty, only it worked out better this time. Whoop. There we go. A common use for an electric screwdriver is taking apart or putting together common household items. In this case, a little car. Then we can put it back together. Have drill bits with a hex shank. Use this thing to drill some holes. And we'll change the clutch to the drill setting. And we can even drill holes in 2x4s. And one of the main functions of a little cordless screwdriver like this, driving screws. This is a big one here. You think it'll drive it? We're going to find out. I'll be damned, it did it. Look at it drive that screw. Driving screws. There it is, guys, the Top Shack cordless screwdriver available on Banggood. That link is down below with the promo code if you are interested. Make sure to give the video a like, subscribe for a nice subscriber. I'll see you guys next time.